Hello everyone, bonsoir, and bonne nuit. These are the French words I can only remember. And basically, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whichever time you are having. I have absolutely no idea. I am back with another tutorial video. This one I have done a lot of work behind the scene. And first of all, I'm going to do some catching up recap. So last time we left with a menu and a level. So basically something I've done. Let's this compile take time a bit. Done. Okay, now it's starting. We already made it three button begin. I have changed. Okay, the words are big in this one, but we will be doing this later. See 30 stages 1 to 30, name them. Basically whatever I did on the first button I copy pasted to the last and just add action 1 2 back with. I made it to one or two more font. I guess font 0 was there when in our previous video. ft0 uh, font area size 36. Wait a minute. ft1 is size 24. Adobe myunigeos stdm, same thing. And another one is Adobe Myong stdm size 18, a bit smaller. And I also made two more things in the background. First I copied an interaction point, single point, and remove the side entirely and just copied it, rotated it, and in a room to test it if things are working as I seen. I plan this, this, and somewhere here and here. When I was making this, did this basically to see if it's working as I planned it. Here and this one delete. I when I did this small square, basically a small square, so I could see which one of these were working as I planned it. You know, one here, one here. I made this and then interaction this one here and one here to match three different sprites on one line. Same. What the hell I'm saying? Did this so it connected both sides clearly. And if they didn't, I cut down a line and to make it what I'm forgetting a lot of things, I guess. Not in a mood, no, but since it's good, it's lined up perfectly, and these upper ones connect with this, and the sideways connect with these. Yes, these corners do not match up like, oh, it matched up. That's a new one. I did not know that. This matchup, did this match up? Okay, I seriously did not know that. They matched up perfectly. I did not know that. But whatever, it great. It works. And alongside this, I copied the grass plane and filled it with new color, basically this color. Red 241, green 210, blue 35. Colored it and choose one line, one of them, these lines, and fill them with another color. Red 190, green 64, blue 12. Copy the entire one bit, copied it and arranged them, and it made a second field. So that's it for the background. I made three more buttons. Yes, three more goddamn buttons. One was this yellow button. You can choose whatever color you want, and I actually blend the color with black opacity 47 twice to get the exact result I want. You can do as you wish. Okay, this color is, I guess I should tell you, 227 red, green 196, blue 15, then a lighter side and a darker side. I did that in blue one, and a dark color we're gonna need that. I have still not done one thing on this yet. I will be making this later when we finally do this. There will be entire video regarding this. And this is a special button, basically a different sprite, nothing much. These two will be done in our video today if things go well. I have no idea how long this video is going. 6 minutes have been passed. Whoa, time flies. I also made these three, basically gems, our currency in the game. This is 7, no, 7, 7, 14, 15 by 31. Yes, 15 by 31. Then pick the middle color side. There on 7, on 15, on 7, on 15. Copy same line. And then this line, black line, match these. The outline will be ready. Then color them in a line. See, the first one was red 221, green 22. Second one, where is the second one? Second one is red 221, green 0, blue 45. Third one, red 218, green 3, blue 9. This is the fourth one, red 204. And fifth one is red 255. And did that and made one currency. Then the second and third, these are reference we will be making sometime later. What the hell did I? Oh, this is a recap of what I've done till now, I guess. These, and in the object menu, I have edited a left release a bit. I made action 0 do nothing and action 66 level selector, the main video, and just copy paste this entire action series. 7 minutes entire, buttons, except the last four one. Those are going to be special levels. I have then made just in copy paste of first level all over, so not a error. These are the same. I changed the draw event a bit. So if action equals 66, yeah, that means the first button, begin button, the front will be 0. If action isn't equal 66, then the front will be 1. That means stage 1 to 10. And if action is 9, bigger than 9, then that means stage button 10 to further and isn't equal 66. So this one does not count. The front will be smaller. So the size of this will go up and down. In this, not this one. This shop is not compared there. So in the first 10 with 9 it will be big, then it will get smaller to fit the button. These are still not done, but we will be making those later. And what else I was planning to do in this video instead of catching you up on what I have done till now. I was gonna make a currency. Let's see, currency sprite. I need to make a sprite, so next video that will be it. But I can make something, so this video will be worthwhile for you. So add an event in the button G, step event, control key, and we're gonna name it change sprite, sprite, sprite. So this is basically, so if action is greater than or equal to 15, then the curly brackets tab SPI sprite index equal, what was the name, SPR button yellow. So yes, if bigger than 15 and action isn't equal 66 and action is smaller than or equal to 30, then this. So three ifs needed for this to happen. And what will this do is basically, if things go well, without making another button, we can basically is we are making two buttons. And now I'm thinking, why did I need three objects in the first place? 11 minutes, we can still do things. Begin. See, and these will be purple buttons, which we'll show later. And the black buttons, if you're thinking what it be, I have finally decided what this shop button will do. This is basically let us buy every 5 stage. Yes, this one will be free, open. Then 1 by 2 3 4 5 sets, 6 sets. Last one will be, you know, very expensive because it will be special levels. And yeah, that way the shop will be functional, and the, currency will be permanent. So we have one more thing extra to do. And what else? For this video, it's done. In the next one, we will be making currency appear on the screen. Yes, currency. And hopefully a shop window. So see you soon in the next time. Next, no, I already said next time. See you soon in this world of greatness. And bye. Yeah, that's it.